Alethea and I've been studying at VU School of Art and Design for 2 years. And here I feel like design is the driving force behind every interaction, every decision and every experience. And what I feel is design is not just about how something looks, but about how it feels and how it changes all of our lives.
So I'll talk about design. Design is a problem-solving field, and we at Vishwakarma University started design in 2017. For us, the characteristic of design at our university was culminating from the field of art, where we had a lot of artists coming together and forming the design department out here. Today we have 5 specializations in design, which is product design, graphic design, UI UX, animation and fashion. And with respect to the faculty members out here, we have managed to build a multidisciplinary field. People who are coming from art background, people also who are coming from very renowned institutions like NID, IDC, IIT Bombay. So that way we have built a very healthy team of tutors who are teaching design in Vishwakarma University. We are also taking some initiatives like Vishwakarma University Institute of Innovation, where we are wanting all the university students to participate in a social activity or to solve problems which are real in nature. So we are asking different students to come together, solve problems of the society and environment, and that's what the center is all about.
Hi, I'm Shalvi and I'm from second year UI UX design. Today I'm here to talk about my experience in VU. So honestly, when I first joined VU, I wasn't really sure what design is beyond making things look good. But over time I've understood that it's about understanding people, their challenges and the things they really need. So it's about making something that really works for people.
Hi, I'm Disha. I teach UX design at Vishwakarma University. So in our department of design, we believe that design is learned best by doing. So along with classroom exercises, we make sure that the students are working on industry projects as well, which we get through our industry connect team, which is working dedicatedly to get projects from the industry to the students. We're doing this to bridge the gap between academics and the industry so that students learn to balance creativity with functionality and empathy with innovation as well.
The faculty here really helped us shape that mindset. They gave us space to experiment. They also asked the right questions which made us think deeper and go deeper into the topic that we are thinking about.
Hello, I'm Professor Prashant Acharya, teaching into the Department of Design, Visual Communication at Vishwakarma University. And right now I am at Design Thinking Studio, Center of Excellence Design Thinking and Innovation, and I feel proud to show my students' projects and all this. I basically call this as an Hall of Fame. So it is not just a studio, it's a kind of Hall of Fame that will give exposure to the students, and the best work which is kept over here, that becomes as a Hall of Fame for the students. So basically this is the outside space of the Shaniwar Wada, and this is the main great legacy of Pune. And here the students have developed the amphitheater. Basically it focuses on the innovative projects, the best practices into design, which are brought together over here, which are also given as an exposure by converting these ideas into the patent and design registrations. We also have a collaborative approach with the Binghamton University. So the Binghamton University and Vishwakarma University, in joint venture with that, we have come up with this center. Now this center gives complete fully exposure to the students to display their projects in this center as a Hall of Fame.
So this is an idea or overview of what the design department at Vishwakarma University looks like.
One thing I really appreciate here is how hands down everything is. Like, we are just not learning theory, but we are also building new ideas and creating new things, getting feedback. That's how the real learning happens.
We don't just teach design, we live it,